Okay, let's continue with this plumbing layout. Okay, let me just get my notes up here. Okay, so I think we need to do let's do these urinals here. Okay, and so to do that, first let's go to the cross section and see if we can connect anything that's available. And let's right click and go to that view. Okay, so the outlet. Okay, so I had to check a few things. So I wanted to see what kind of connection I can make. But my urinal, according to ADA compliance, my outlet is supposed to be 14 inches from the floor. Okay, so going back, and this should be 17 inches. So if we do a detail line here and go up 17, that's approximately right. And my outlet should be at 14. Correct. 14. So the outlet is here. Wow. Is that 14? Yeah, it's 14. Yep. Okay. So I think let's do this. Okay, so I'm going to continue. And let's see if this is pin. No, okay. So I know this is my outlet, but this particular family for the urinal is not gonna give me 14 inches, because usually a urinal has this integral P-trap inside. It's kind of like a water closet where the trap is inside the fixture, right? So I know that should be my outlet. So what I'm gonna do is move this urinal, because it's just for purposes of graphics anyway. But what we want to do is get the engineering right. Okay, this is not engineering, it's just kind of aesthetics kind of stuff. So I'm going to come down, no slope. Okay, everything looks good. Just gonna kind of wing it here and put a trap. Let's put a trap in here. Okay, and then go up to my 14, kind of in that area. Okay, it doesn't have to be exact, it's just graphics. And maybe, can I scoot this down some? Scoot to 17. It's not gonna let me do it. No, that's close enough. That's close enough. I'll leave it like that. Let's do that. Okay. What happened? Oh, okay. Okay, and there's a second. Now I should be able to copy this, right? Let's see. Let's do another detail line to here so we can line that up. Now let's do this. Copy. Is it gonna move? It should. Okay, I'll just put it here. And for my next trick, I'm going to align that urinal with that detail line. We go here, here, and here. Okay, so that works out well. So now, I think that what I need to do is come here, right? I think that's gonna connect, it should, but I don't want it to be this Y. I want it to be something else. I'm not gonna worry about, at this point, whether it's the correct fitting or not. Let's put a clean out back here. Okay. And I'm going to cap it for Revit because Revit doesn't like any open-ended pipes or duct. I don't know about electrical. Let's come back some. Shift, use my arrow key. Let's change this guy back to T sanitary. Okay. And now what I need to do is connect this pipe with that pipe. And we do that through our trusty tool called the Align tool. Use that. Come here, come over. And I think that what I can do is draw my pipe up. And now I'm going to use my Y combination. And go from here. And let's, I wonder if I can connect. All right, that lets me connect. Let me come back using my arrow key. Come back a little bit because I'm gonna need to connect this pipe into this main pipe. Let's see. Okay, let's see how that looks in this overall. Let's get a reference first. Overall 3D. Okay, yeah, that's good. And that's good. I can tighten this up some, but it's I don't put a whole lot of stock into Revit's graphics and what's, not at this point, but you know, I mean, if I was in an office setting, that would be different. I don't know, I try to practice as much as I can. So that clean out somewhere, it could be, it could come, you have to go into this plumbing chase to get it. You know what I mean? Okay, let's do this. So I think I need to tighten this guy up some. Let's put it back in the plumbing chase. Because it was just reverse engineering. And I'm looking at this piece here. I think that's tight enough. See? Let's put another cap in here. Okay. So we got that. Everything looks okay. I think that what's gonna happen is instead, let's see where we are. This is at -2'9", and this guy is at, so it's lower. I might be able to come, let's just look at the section view. And section reference, section. Ooh. So I'm coming here. Let's do this. I could do this. And slope down. Okay. So it's here. Yeah, that might work. I think I'm gonna do let's come back to there. And what have I got? I think this is shaft. Let's see here. I think that this area might be a shaft. It looks like it. Maybe it's for mechanical. Let's see if I can go over this. If I can have this pipe go over this space. What is this? 3? 3, 3, 3, 2. Let's go to my 3D section and go 2. Let's look at this view in my section at 2. Okay, so where is my pipe? Let's do this. Let's turn off the architect's drawing. Where is it? To this guy. Go back section. Okay, so I need to know what's going on here in terms of the architect's drawing. Let's turn it back on. See what's going on. Let's just take a look. It's all the way down. So it's here. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like I can't. I think, is it, where, what happened? Well, I'm under. Okay, let's go down here. Is that fair? Okay, so it's under. Okay, it doesn't go all the way down. Okay, so this hole, what appears to be a hole here, it's a shaft actually. What looks like a shaft. And looking at, I think it's this view. If we look at that, it's above the pipe, which is that pipe. Let's see, let's go back. Select this pipe and go here. And it's that pipe. And there's the hole, or the shaft that we're talking about. So, but my problem is this wall. Let's see, let's select. Okay. My problem is this wall. Okay, you'll see that wall? And you see that fitting, how it's in there like that? That's not gonna happen. So I can't make that fitting. The pipe relative to this shaft hole is okay, but I can't make this fitting, okay, because it's in the wall. I'm gonna have to put it out here somewhere, which is here or back here. I don't know, something has to happen. So I think I'm gonna stop here and I will talk to you guys later.